Hi, I'm Samantha Christofferson, and I'm just going to quickly tell you a little bit about my experience with finding out about the bullet journal. So of course, I did a little Google search. I went to bulletjournal.com. It was a system designed for journaling that was supposed to be rapid data entry, easy to understand what tasks you want to focus on, and eliminating kind of some of that clutter. A man named Ryder Carroll designed the bullet journal, and or the Buju, if you've heard of it called that. I encourage you to go to his website or look on YouTube and subscribe to his channel to watch the videos of why he did it and listening to his story, because it is quite compelling that, you know, he found himself kind of not able to keep up with certain things, not finding the right system, having a little bit of distraction there, and then finding this method of essentially using bullet journal to help keep himself organized and find more success in the things that he was undertaking. So one of the things that I wanted to tell you is that there are some, I found it a little bit misleading that I kind of watched his intro videos, but I didn't actually understand more than what the system was, how to actually take a physical journal, know what journal that I wanted to have, what size, how many page numbers, and then how to, you know, create and customize a plan for me. So that's what I've been doing the last 4 days was, well, how do I build a bullet journal that's right for me? And it came with a bunch of questions that I think all people who are getting started should learn about. And some of those things I didn't find it easy to find on his website or in the communities that I found online. I have for a long time subscribed on Instagram to Boho Berry because she puts out beautiful pieces of bullet journaling content. Now I know that, you know, that is her passion and that's her life, so she spends a lot of time invested in that, and that's not for everyone. So again, if you want to learn more about the history of bullet journal, I encourage you to look up Ryder Carroll and his website bulletjournal.com. But don't be overwhelmed by the fact if you find it a little bit confusing of how to get started, and that's exactly why I'm creating these videos.